You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia, and today we're doing a face wash and makeup routine. Next, I'm using the face cloth to put some water onto my face, and then I'll be using the Aveeno facial cleanser to help clean my face and get ready for any makeup that I'll be putting on later in the video. I absolutely love the oil-free acne wash by Neutrogena. It's a scrub, so it's perfect to use after any facial cleansers. Now I'll be using the Cooling Avocado Clay Mask by Bella. This is absolutely amazing just to let this sit in my face for 15 minutes. It's another way to just do another deep clean on your skin and just get any other antioxidants or dirt or anything else that's on your face and just help minimize it as much as possible and make your skin softer and much more luxurious. Now I'm done applying the mask all over my face. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and notifications buttons. And let's take this mask off. Say yes to clear skin. An absolute must is a daily toner or any type of toner that will help minimize your pores as much as possible because we do not want dirt in our skin. No thank you. I love using serums as well. It's another way to lessen the pores in your skin. This one's a vitamin C serum. It does have some hyaluronic acid to kind of help reduce those pores as well. Another serum is a collagen serum. This just helps put that collagen back into your skin for those youthful glows, which I love. So this is another way, another capsule. You don't have to do 2 of them, but I decided to do it for this video because I'll use those 2 back and forth a lot. Now I'm going into my acne treatment using Zapped. This is perfect for just like little spot treatments all over your face. I usually get them in the crevices of my cheeks. That's where I'll hold a lot of oils and get a lot of acne. So you just see a little spots here and there, just trying to cover them up. I love using the Dr. Brandt DNA. It's for under your eye, any dark spots. I usually don't get dark circles, which is great, but this is how I prevent them from coming. Now I'm using the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer lotion. This is just perfect to put on a barrier before I use any makeup. Just making sure my skin is moisturized and lotioned up. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications buttons. Thank you. Maybelline Master Prime. This is perfect to prime my skin just before I put on any makeup. Again, just creating layers and barriers before I use this haute protection. This is actually a sunscreen slash like a foundation slash concealer all in one. So this is perfect just to put on a quick This is my go-to eyebrow pencil by e.l.f. I absolutely just love the color. I love how it slides on for my brows and how it just makes my eyebrows look nice and fluffy. I'll be using the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner. This is another go-to for mine. I just usually love Maybelline products. Next, I'll be using my e.l.f. waterproof mascara in the color black. This is perfect for everyday use. This is a combo contour kit by She Glam. I'm just using the middle one, the middle color. It's like a nice golden brown that I can use. It's really highly pigmented, so I'm trying to brush it out as much as possible. I'm gonna go in with a blender and just kind of blend it out even more. This is Auto Eyeliner. This is actually an eyeliner, but I'm using it as a lip liner because I just love this color brown. It goes really perfect on my lips. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. lip gloss. This is so perfect just as a finishing gloss to any of your lip looks. And there you have it, the finishing look for this face wash and makeup routine. Really simple, really easy, just keeps your skin nice and healthy with a great glow. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.
You said